like the video and subscribe the channel.
Sir, you mentioned that in military there is no discrimination based on religion or culture or anything. Based on your vast experience, what do you think? How can we reduce or eliminate this thing in our civil society as well? How can we change the mindset of people based on this?
It's a tough question to answer, and I'll tell you, let me answer this question with another example. When I moved from the army into the corporate world, a lot of my friends used to ask me, what is the difference between the army and the corporate world? And I used to answer that in the army, at least we knew which side the enemy was. Now, my sense is that when people have the luxury of security, Maslow's pyramid, when they believe security is taken care of, then they have all these ideas about discrimination and how you are different from me and how I'm different from you. When you're trying to survive, there is no question of not being able to trust your teammate. You may not like him. I've operated in special forces teams where you set these two guys in a dark alley, they might kill each other. But when they're in an operation, there is no better man to guard my 6 o'clock because he's really good at it. My sense is that as a society, we have to realize that the shifting of warfare which is taking place, it's the civilians who are the battlefield now. And the civilians are the combatants, and the civilians are going to be the victims. So if we do not hang together, we will definitely hang one by one. That's going to happen. Now that sense of being able to foresee the future, if we don't start imbibing, and I'm really glad that a lot of young people here, because you are going to inherit what's going to happen, and what happened in 2611 happened in Paris. In case you haven't guessed it, it's not going to stop. It's only going to keep on increasing now. So unless as society we start realizing that we are threatened by external forces, and whatever those external forces may be, we will actually be imploding. And that essence of understanding that the threat is out there, the enemy is out there, not amongst ourselves, is something that we have to start internalizing now. And my sense is that's the only way.